like say, but you know, man, move fast, bro. How would that work? Yo. Look like the officer gonna buy us some rum. I liquor store and park up in front of it. Oh God. You go like the police gonna buy some rum, brother. Man, a human being in probably stress. Writing so much ticket for one day, man, say want a drink. One whole bottle of overproof vibes rum. Hey, no turn up your flag, rather nice. If you just stress out and go look at a bottle of vibes rum, no. No. Straight? Straight? Job, right? Chat now. Tell her, bro. For wiper. See one Kevin a beat Foota hype wicked. Boy, I may tell us a Foota hype right now. You hear what me see one Kevin a do with Foota hype? Jaja no star. And what? Is Foota take away one of them girl or something, brother? Like, it's like every year you have 2 new content creators with us. Take it to the limit, brother, but man, tell us right now, it's like one Kevin decides to say, I hear me right now. You know, for the viral boss, yeah, Virgin, and a clean up time right now. Cause if one Kevin have all of them proof that we must say him have, and all of them things we me one Kevin I say him have to expose man in a G. Jaja City, Jaja Town, you know, pretty. Now, as we drive and chat, here, I want to smash the like and subscribe, but I don't know no YouTube TV with the out here. And right now, we are take the girl car span the road. You see me? So, I just say thing, them, man. We just flow on the street, dog, and do what we are doing. We don't have to turn in on a studio. We don't have to turn in on no house. Brother, we work anywhere we go. We work anywhere we go, you see me? So, I just saw you go. Man, I say, lock it, kick out Foota hype. Foota hype moving them 5-bedroom BMW or must be Mercedes. Something like that. But Virgin, that's what I say right now, one of the most comical thing me ever see. Where a man style a man one wicked way and then I say a man if you just look past it and the people them out the road where the fans, you know, brother get involved because them a family. But let me tell you something. I grew up here so no song no sing so brother. Alright. I mean I know what kind of friend me could have went off. To come tell for themselves say not even family member, nobody can style me like oh Mr. Foota style bounty killer. and deal with me. Let's just get that out the street. See? And me just speak real. I never business with them and one Kevin have. I don't know if one Kevin have something personal against Foota Hype still. Big about thing, you know, but better to say right now. One Kevin out for expose Foota Hype and Beanie Man. I don't know what going on. Because one Kevin I show say right now, say Foota Hype, I tell this big lie. I tell the people them say him straight and him not straight. And I tell the people them say him I get book and him not get book. I tell the people them say him rich and lucky kick him out. Why me I tell her like a whole of the man credit them just want to rub out in a bridging. One go, you know. I want done the viral boss credit just like that G. Yo. Right now, bro. Me not lie. Come like one Kevin more viral than Foota Hype right now. Cause if you look, Rick Star and everybody a post one Kevin, one Kevin, one Kevin. One Kevin have to go drop a single right now. Foota Hype, them lick your chip, brother. It's like your hype come to a halt right now, brother, cause you go run in on the wrong set of people things, you know, you remember him this cartel and say nobody don't know who is cartel and remember all these things, you know. You see, then him want to play angel role and act like say boy. And him done the same hombre. But did I do him all that little speculation and him fucker, you see. But brother, the end of the day it's all entertainment, right? But it's just the level where the viral boss take it. So far you have to go virgin to go viral. You try to disgrace people, you say you and them roll certain way, dog. You're not a friend. You are not a friend. You can't be a friend, brother. Yeah, this virgin attack bring out some receipt and all girl him can call and this and blah 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 and picture and message and blah blah. You're fucking lucky if you ask me. YouTube when you smash it like. You see me? We are talking about one Kevin a try to demolish Foota Hype. Or is it working? Yo, one Kevin drop a video over there where my show say boy it's like saying nobody in the smash the show. What go on people? No drop in the comment section. I wish artists. Them say such man did and show and very go on and you know. You don't know. Cause I can't one of my favorite artists them I talk about so. When me grew up I listen to and respect all of my life and I can't so I don't know. I don't get involved so. I don't know people, but it's just very comical right now. Oh, when the roller boss touchdown, you see me? It's like say, boy, you ever see when chicken run it out them head? Confused, brother. When Kevin say Foota Hype, I go perform him biggest hits them. Foota Hype have him own set and him own bands. Only that, nobody don't know which song we are going to look for from Foota Hype. But for some reason, Foota Hype say I'm the artist thing from yard and that's just what it is. The man when known for this bounty killer the worst. You understand? And then I look for pardon. If you can pardon Foota Hype, you can subscribe. That's all I tell you. Man say, Rodney talk to everybody else. All Aishana, where they go up on the stage and go on with our little antiques. Right? But you have to remember, Aishana does a perform. Aishana does you know, she did out of line. I'm not gonna lie to you, she did way out of line with that. But she never go as far as you, brother. Nah, Bridget. You go to one whole other something where you talk about people I figure a doctor and them can't get better, how much injection and people are drop out belly and it was a bizarre thing, Bridget, and just not see how possible. I don't expect the general to forgive a nigga for something like that. I don't think say that I'm like that though, bro. Like say, no man I got forgive no man. You must be mad, bro. I'm the such man. How much time you watch him still can't turn. Yeah, like a cat. Yeah. Respect my general. Man, them lick the guy, the dog chip, bro. Them say the man them say tell the boy they say that big foot boy they say not talk about Gaza. I tell him to lock it now I have nothing to do with him. Tell people to tap the fuck yeah, but they like, subscribe and send it to Foota. Big up yourself, Foota. Them say no viral no more. One Kevin lick a chip. So we will link up with Lock It. Lock It off your store. They can't do Foota hype like that, brother. Not the viral boss or ass. Glad, no, bro. Yo, overdrive, brother. A draw over this. YouTube. Boom.